uncharted adventure.
A high wind warning is in effect. Currently in our area, 72 degrees with blowing dust. Today, sunny, gusty winds diminishing during the afternoon. High 74. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Tonight, clear to partly cloudy. Low 50. Stronger winds in and below canyons and passes. Thursday, sunshine and clouds mixed. High 77. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Welcome back, everyone. That's a look at Worcester, Massachusetts. We picked up some snow last night and early